In order to play GTA 5 with two players, you need to start the GTA Online. Launch the GTA 5 and select GTA Online from the main menu and create a private session. Open the pause menu and go to the Online tab and select Start GTA Online and choose Invite Only Session to play privately with your friend. Open the menu again, go to Friends or Social Club tab and find your friend and invite. Then once your friend joins, you can explore the world or complete the missions together. Important things to remember is that GTA 5 does not support split screen for two players in story mode. It is a single player or online multiplayer only. Add a friend on the Rockstar Social Club either in the game or in the Rockstar website for easier invites. And using an invite only session creates a private lobby, making it easier to do missions and activities together. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.